Start by standing nice and tall. Inhale up and exhale yourself down to the ground. Inhale up to a flat back and then exhale down and step back into a plank position. Lower yourself to the floor and push up into upward dog. Then breathe in, turn your toes, push back into downward dog and hold here for 5 breaths. Push away with the palms of your hands and push down with the heels of your feet and keep that spine nice and long. Then after your 5 breaths, you're going to walk forward slowly, stretching out the backs of the hamstrings. Then inhale up to a flat back, exhale down, then inhale up into mountain pose. Round 2, inhale up, exhale down, then inhale up to a flat back, exhale down, and then step back into a plank position. Push up, upward dog, then breathe in, turn the toes, push back into downward dog. Hold here for 5 nice long breaths, stretching out the backs of the legs by pushing down with the heels and pushing away with the palms of your hands. Walk forward slowly after those 5 breaths, stretching out the backs of the hamstrings. Then inhale up, exhale down, and then inhale up into mountain pose. Round 3, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up to flat back, and now jump or step back into plank position. Inhale, push up into upward dog, and then turn the toes. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Hold here for 5 breaths. Breathe deep and push down with the heels and push away with the palms. After your 5 breaths, you're going to jump forward or walk forward. Then inhale up to a flat back, exhale down, and then inhale up, keeping the spine straight and tall into mountain pose.